7 hidden features of Google Pixel 8a. First, create AI wallpaper. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Now tap on a more wallpapers. Here you can see the AI wallpaper option. Tap on it. Now you can see list of different theme: imaginary, painting, night, mineral, X-ray, texture. Select the theme you want to create AI wallpaper. Here we select soft focus option. Now here you can see, tap on a rotate icon, tap on a flowers. Here you can choose from butterfly, flower, fireflies, birds, poppies. Here we select birds. Now tap on a mute natural. Here you can choose the color. Here we select the green. Now tap on a create wallpaper button at the bottom to generate AI wallpaper on your Pixel 8a. It will automatically create the AI wallpaper. Now you can see different AI wallpaper created on your Pixel device. Tap on Inspire Me button to automatically generate a new wallpaper. Now you can see create a new wallpaper. To select it, tap on a top right corner arrow. Here you can see how it looks on your lock screen and home screen. Now tap on a set wallpaper at the top right corner and choose from home screen, lock screen, home and lock screen. Here we select home screen. Now open home screen and you can see change the wallpaper. Second, now playing. You can use now playing feature to identify the song near playing by you on your device. To enable it, open the settings, tap sound and vibration, scroll down, tap on a now playing. Make sure toggle on the identify song playing nearby, toggle on it. Here make sure toggle show search button on lock screen. That will helpful to identify the song playing nearby you. Now play the song nearby on your device. Here we lock our phone. Now you can see the now playing symbol. Tap on it to identify the song. Here you can see searching for a song. Now you can see the song name Brown Monday. So it's quite helpful feature to identify the song playing the nearby you on your device. You can also change the notification. Tap on now playing history to see the now playing history for today, past. You can see all now playing history. To remove it, tap on the 3 vertical dots and tap on remove all to remove all now playing history. So it's quite useful feature to identifying the songs playing the nearby on your Pixel 8a device. Third, cinematic wallpaper. To set cinematic wallpaper on your Pixel 8a, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Wallpaper and style. More wallpapers. Tap on a my photo. And now select the photo from your device. You want to create cinematic wallpaper on your phone. Here we select this. Now tap on this star icon to create a cinematic wallpaper. At the bottom you can see cinematic wallpaper that will add 3D and motion effect to your photo. Now toggle on create cinematic wallpaper. It will automatically generate the cinematic wallpaper. You can see here the process is running to create the cinematic wallpaper on your Pixel 8a. Now you can see how it looks. Now tap on a set wallpaper. Tap on home screen, lock screen, home and lock screen. Here we select lock screen. Now lock your phone. When you unlock, you can see the cinematic wallpaper on your device. Fourth, audio magic eraser. You can use audio magic eraser to reduce the background noise of your video. To use it, open your Google photo and open the any video. Here you can see the background noise of vehicle. If you want to remove background noise, you can use audio eraser. Tap on edit icon from the bottom middle. Now tap on a swipe and tap on audio. Here you can see audio eraser option. Tap on it. Now it will identify the sounds. Here you can see the process to identify sounds and remove the unnecessary background noise. Now tap on noise. Here you can see noise. Swipe it to reduce the noise of background like this. So you can here see how it's the remove the background noise from your video. Now tap on music. Here you can also remove unnecessary background music. When complete the process, tap on done or tap on auto. It will automatically generate the background music and remove the unnecessary sound from your device. When complete the process, tap on save copy. So this feature is useful to remove the unnecessary background noise from your video. Fifth, quick tap gesture. You can use quick tap gesture to access any app quickly on your device. To use it, go to settings, scroll down, tap on a system, tap on a gestures. At the top, you can see the quick tap to start action option. Make sure to toggle on it to use it. When you enable it, you can access, take a screenshot, access your Google Assistant, play or push media, see recent apps, toggle flashlight. So select the option you want to use as a quick tap gesture on your Pixel 8a. Here we select take a screenshot option. Now double tap on the back of your Pixel device. And you can see take a screenshot on your device. If you want to quickly access any app, tap on open app, tap on a setting gear icon. Now select the app you want to quickly access using double tap gesture. Here we select the clock. Now double tap on the back of your Pixel device and you can see open the clock. So it's quite useful feature to quickly access any app or take a screenshot using this quick tap gesture on your Google Pixel 8a. 6. Flash notification. To enable camera flash or screen flash, open the app drawer, tap the settings app. Now scroll down, tap on accessibility. Again scroll down. At the end, you can see flash notification in the audio section. Tap on a flash notification. Here you can see camera flash and screen flash. Now toggle on camera flash and tap on a preview to view the camera flash. You can also toggle on screen flash and tap the screen flash to choose the color. Here we select the blue color. Tap on a done. Now tap on a preview to view how it looks when you receive the notification on your Pixel 8a. So you can enable both camera flash and screen flash on your device when you receive the notification on your Google Pixel 8a. And in the last hidden feature, you can enable clear calling feature. To enable, go to settings, scroll down, tap on a sound and vibration. Again scroll down until find the clear calling, tap on it. Make sure to toggle on it. That will help you to reduce the background noise during the phone call on your Google Pixel 8a and other Pixel device. That's it. This is the all list of hidden features you can access using this tutorial on your device. That's it. Please like it, share it.